everyone, today I'm going to be talking about false eyelash extensions at home. Now I know some of us can't get our eyelashes professionally done because of quarantine, so I've been trying different ways on how I can get my eyelash extensions done at home by myself, of course. So I'm going to try this Falscara out. I've heard a lot of people talk about this. I have never done this before. Of course, this is the first time me trying this, so we're going to do it together. So basically it comes with the eyelashes, a little applicator, and of course the bonding and seal glue. So let's get into it. Alright, so first step says to bond. You gotta brush a light coat of the bonding onto your natural lashes, and a little bit goes a long way, it says. So of course I'm going to get the bonding side, and a little bit goes a long way, they say. So let's try it out. So the second step says get your applicator and get one of the eyelashes, and it says to put it underneath your eyelashes, and it says from away from your waterline. So let me try this out. Of course I touched my eyelashes and it's pretty tacky. Oh my gosh, so once you place it, make sure that's where you want it to go because it is sticky. Alright, so I only have one cluster on. As you can tell, it's a very dramatic difference from my natural eyelashes. Alright, as you can tell, these are where my false eyelash extensions are, and these are my natural eyelashes. Alright, now that I put my eyelashes on, I'm going to go back in with my applicator and press down on my false eyelashes to my natural eyelashes just to make sure that they stick. Alright, now that I know that my false eyelashes are secured to my natural eyelashes, I'm going to go in with the seal side, and I'm going to go underneath my false eyelashes and make sure that I seal them all together. Alright, so that's one eye, so let's continue on to the next one. Alright, I just got done doing my lashes. Of course, I threw on a little bit of makeup to look a little bit more presentable just because I wanted clean skin while doing my eyelash extensions. But y'all, I gotta say, for 20 bucks, this is not bad for at-home eyelash extensions. Now, granted, I don't know how long they'll last or how they'll hold up, but for the time being, for eyelash extensions at home, can't beat 20 bucks for getting your eyes done.